Welcome to Silly Kids Forever!
Hey guys! In this episode, we will be unboxing a booster pack box. That's right guys, a whole box of booster packs. This is the newest expansion, the Sun and Moon Unified Minds. There are 36 beautiful packs in here. That is 360 cards. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? Cause I am. I've been excited. Okay, so here it is. It's looks like this part opens up. This part opens up. Let's set it up like a store would. Ugh, close enough. Okay. There's our packs. So I'm going to be opening up 5. We're each going to take turns opening up 5 packs. So, first pack, I've got this Mew and Mewtwo. Alright. First we have Purloin, Magmar. Oh, sorry, it's not in the shot. Dynamo, Cosmog, Salandit, Reverse Hollow Harness, Salazzle, Energy Card, Archon, Yanmega, and that's that. Pack number 2. Why are they all backwards? Alright. Drillbur, Slackoth, Fungus, Honedge, Magnemite, Reverse Hollow Zygarde. Check that out. And we have a GX Mega Sableye and Tyranitar Tag Team! Woo! Energy card, Stadium now. Oh, the rest don't matter. Alright, pack number 3. We have Dwebble, Ditto, Luna, Pikachu, he's super cute. Lickitung, Reverse Hollow P-Dove, check that one. Zygarde, an energy card, Lapras, and we can see, oh, can we focus on her? Look at Misty there. This card is so cute. A Karate Belt, Grimsley, and there we go. So, my pack number 4. This super cute little Cubone. I love Cubone. Yanma, Yungoos, Cryogonal. Sorry, I don't know that one. Litwick, Reverse Hollow Dratini. Look at how cute. How cute. Okay. Lucario, an energy card, Blaine Show, Oranguru, and Weakness Guard Energy. And my last pack, come on, GX Tag Team. I've got Numel, Dynamo, Poipole, Snorunt, Drillbur again, a Reverse Hollow Fungus, a Holo Silvally. Look at that one. I like where the flashes are on that card. An energy card, why not? Type null. And Pokemaniac. Look at